In this video we will see how to find the area of a triangle. If you want to look at the proof for this, then you can find it there in your textbook. So to find the area, if you don't know the base and the perpendicular height, you can use this rule: A, or area, equals a half AB sine C. A and B are the side lengths surrounding the given angle C. So we know in our triangle here, if we've got A, B, and C, then opposites would be C, little b, little a. And so we're talking about being given this, this, and that. If you've got those three things, then you can find the area of that triangle. Alrighty, so let's have a look at the first example. Calculate the area of the triangle below. You simply just need to substitute into that formula. Area equals a half times by 3.7 times by 5.2 times by sine 105. Why did I choose those two numbers? Well, it's because they're the ones next to the angle. And so I've got those three values there as noted in the position of the triangle above. And so if I evaluate that, then I get 9.2922, blah, 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 which is approximately, to the nearest square meter, 9 meters squared. Alrighty, so let's look at another example. Determine the area of the parallelogram below. Well, we were told it's a parallelogram, and so this line here would split it in half in terms of its area. So to find the area of the whole thing, we would find the area of this and then double it. So our area equals 2 times by the area of that triangle, which is a half, times by 8.7 times 5.4 times by sine of 135, which really these two would just cancel each other out, but for understanding we can write it out like that. So we're going to get 33.2198, which is equal to 33 square centimeters for the area. That's some basic examples of how to use this rule. Good luck with your exercises.